Hi, I'm going to show you how to create a multi-user board. First, you click the Start Drawing button. Then you need to log in or create an account. You can enter your email and password and log in. Make sure the multi-board option is selected in the options, and you can start creating your notebook after that. So on the first page, we are going to add some problems that we are going to write by hand. On the second page, by clicking the next page button, you can create another page. Here you can import images from files on your computer, or even take photos directly from your phone uh, to of any workbooks that you already have. So I've created two pages at this point in this notebook, and I'm going to now send an invite to the student. So I can do that by clicking the text to the right bottom corner. It'll open it in my email client, where I can then enter people's email addresses to whom I want to invite to this board. And at that point I just wait. So essentially I can click the grid view icon at the point and see as people join what they're doing. So you see that in the middle, the second, there's a student who just joined. I can show you from the student perspective. So when the student joins, they can click a create new child to create a copy of the notebook for themselves. Right now, this is the copy of the notebook that the student is going to use from now on, right? And from the teacher view, or this is the instructor view, you can actually see all the students' notebooks, which pages they are on and what they are doing, right? So as the students start joining, you can see that more and more of these cells will start to get populated, and you can also view each individual student what they're doing uh, in real time. You can also click any of the tiles to show a bigger view of the student and see what exactly they are up to at that point. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. Please let us know if you have any suggestions or comments, and how we can help you improve this whiteboard. Thank you so much.